Let's make this easy but very healthy and delicious Ghanaian breakfast recipes. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. The reason today shouldn't be the last time of visiting is we share healthy, simple, quick recipes. So please subscribe or follow for more videos and you will love it here. Without wasting your time, let's start with today's activity. I have with me here my wheat and we are just going to wash it very well. Like you can see, it is very dirty. Okay, so we will wash it like 3 times and then we can proceed. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, so please follow us for more videos and trust me, you will love it everywhere. If you want short videos, we are on TikTok, Instagram, and then YouTube shorts. So I am done right now washing everything and I have my water on fire. It is about to boil. Okay, I will just go ahead and add the wheat we washed. As you can see, the water is very clear, so it means we washed it very well. Now I'm just going to add that to it and then allow it to cook perfectly before we go ahead and then add the next ingredients. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you are still with me, and please, have you liked the video? If you haven't, can you do so for me? I'll be very grateful if you do that. Let me see your comment in the comment section and I will be very grateful as well. Now this is how the wheat is doing. Okay, as you can see, it has cooked very well and we want that creamy porridge. Okay, so for you to get that creamy porridge, I mixed some all-purpose flour. You can mix your bread flour, soft flour, with some water to get some porridge, okay, or get it in a porridge form. Okay, so after we got it like that, we are just going to add it to our wheat porridge on fire, as you can see on the screen, and this looks so good already. Thank you so much once again. Yes, I am very grateful for watching me till this point, and I'll be very happy if you watch it very well, I mean fully. I'll be very happy. So I realized that it was a bit thick and I added more liquid to it so that it can lose up some more. Okay, so just look at that, so delicious and I love it. I love wheat porridge and then Tom Brown. Yes, that is the only porridge that I can enjoy. Okay, even though I don't like porridge. Yes, let me know in the comment section, what is your favorite porridge? I would like to know. Now this is how it looks and we have to add some salt to it to add taste to our porridge. Should you don't want to add salt, you can go ahead and then omit it, but we are going to add salt to it so that I can add taste to it. Okay, thank you. Now after adding the salt, I will go ahead and then give it a stir so that the salt will not hold at one place, but we will have the taste at every place. Okay, it will be very uniform and the taste will be the same. Okay, that is what I mean. So I will stir it very well and then show you the outcome. So normally when the family is having this, okay, everyone and the way they enjoy it. My husband usually enjoy this with his peanut or any nut of your choice and then add some sugar and then enjoy. You can add milk to it, but he does not take milk. Okay, yes, evaporated milk. Okay, yeah. Now I would like to also have it like that without any dairy product because I don't take them, but you can add it to it and it will taste so good. Thank you so much for watching. So I come your way next time. Please take good care of yourself. I love you. Bye bye.